Dear students, good morning. Now move on to next topic in mensuration, that is area between two rectangles. Rectangle, area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. We will use this formula in this exercise. Exercise 20b. Question number 1. A rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. Find the area of the path and the cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter squared. What is given in your question? That is a rectangular plot. So we will draw the one rectangle ABCD. The length is 75 meter and breadth is 60 meter. That is BC equal to 60 meter. It has a path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. Inside, this is the path, this is the plot. ABCD is a plot and inside 2 meter path and all around it. So, to every side in the length as well as in the breadth, we will leave 2 meter. That is the path, all four sides. So, next rectangle, that is inside that ABCD, that is EFGH. That is the boundary of that inside boundary of the inside plot ABCD. After that, now first we have to find out the area of the path, that is area of ABCD minus area of EFGH is the area of the path. After finding the area, we will calculate the constructing, what is the cost of constructing that path, we will find it. See the solution now. Let ABCD be the given grassy plot and let EFGH be the inside boundary of the path. Length of AB 75 meter, length of BC 60 meter. Now area of the plot ABCD equal to length into breadth, that is 75 into 60 meter squared equal to 4500 meter squared. Width of the path is given, that is 2 meter everywhere. EF, now we have to find the length. What is the length of EF and length of FG? Here total length of AB is 75 meter, this side 2 meter, this side 2 meter, total 2 plus 2 is 4. So 75 minus 4 is length of EF, that is 75 minus 4 equal to 71 meter, that is length of EF. In the same way we have to calculate the length of FG. Say the length of BC is 60 meter, this side 2 meter, this side 2 meter, so 2 plus 2 4. 60 minus 4 is 56 meter, that is the length of FG. Now we have to find the area of EFGH, that is length into breadth, that is 71 meter into 56 meter, that is the area of plot EFGH, that is 3976 meter squared. So area of the path equal to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Area of ABCD we have find out here 4500 minus area of EFGH already we find out 3976. After subtracting we will get area of the path equal to 524 meter squared. In the question it is given the area of the path and cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter squared. So for second part, cost of constructing the path per meter squared is given rupees 125. So cost of constructing the path for 524 meter squared equal to rupees 125 multiplied by 524 is equal to rupees 65,500. Do the multiplication in the rougher column and put the units everywhere properly. So this question contains 4 parts. First is area of the outer rectangle and area of the inner rectangle, then area of the path, then cost of constructing it. In these types of questions, you have to draw the figure. Figure is very, very important. Question number 2. A room 9.5 meter long and 6 meter wide is surrounded by a 1.25 meter wide veranda. Calculate the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda at rupees 80 per meter squared. What is given here? A room in the shape of rectangle. So I draw the room, that is Which one is room? Now we have to see here which one bigger rectangle and which one is a smaller rectangle. Veranda always outside that room. So EFGH is a room and veranda is outside it. So ABCD is the boundary of that veranda. So from the question you have to calculate it. You have to find out which one is room, where we have to keep the veranda. Then you have to draw the rectangle. So EFGH is the room, that is the length is 9.5 meter, that is EF equal to 9.5 meter, FG equal to 6 meter. This is the length and breadth of the room. Then veranda width is given 1.25 meter all around, everywhere, length side and breadth side also 1.25 meter. Now we have to calculate the length of AB and length of BC. Why I have written DA? Because rectangle opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD, AD equal to BC. How to calculate AB? Here the length of EF is given 9.5 meter, both sides 1.25 and here 1.25. 1.25 plus 1.25, if we add it, that is 2.5. So 9.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 12 meter. So the length of AB equal to 12 meter. In the same way we have to calculate FG. FG, here it is given 8. BC is given 8.5 meter, here 1.25 meter, here 1.25 meter. So 1.25 plus 1.25 is 2.5. 8.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 10 meter. It is given there. So first we will calculate. Now here also what is given in the question? Calculate the cost of cementing the floor. So we need first to calculate area of the veranda. So area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Let what is given in the solution? See that. Let EFGH be the given room and let ABCD be the boundary of the veranda. Length EF equal to 9.5 meter. Width is 6 meter. It is given. Area of the room EFGH is equal to 9.5 into 6 meter squared equal to 57 meter squared. Now length of AB 12 meter. Already we have calculated. BC, length of BC equal to 8.5 meter. Now area of a rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth 12 into 8.5 meter squared, that is equal to 102 meter squared. Area of the veranda is equal to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. ABCD is 102 and EFGH is 57. 102 minus 57 meter squared is equal to 45 meter squared. Here cost of cementing the floor per meter squared is rupees 80. So cost of cementing the floor for veranda for 45 meter squared equal to rupees 45 into 80, which is equal to rupees 3600. Move on to question number 3. Each side of a square flower bed is 2 meter 80 centimeter long. It is extended by digging a strip 30 centimeter wide all around it. Find the area of the enlarged flower bed and also the increase in the area of the flower bed. What is given in the question? Square flower bed, that is a square, so all sides are equal, 2 meter 80 centimeter. EFGH is a square flower bed and 30 centimeter wide all around it. That is square bed outside 30 centimeter everywhere. It is wide is given. And the boundary of that after 30 centimeter, that is ABCD. Now we have to calculate the length of AB. How to calculate? Every side 30 centimeter. So 30 plus 30, 60 centimeter. Now we have to add it. Where from? We have to add with the EF. That is 2 meter 80 centimeter. Convert into centimeter. That is 280 centimeter plus 60, that is 340 centimeter is the length of AB and all sides are equal. So everywhere AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, everywhere 340 centimeter. In the same way, the length of EF equal to FG equal to GH equal to HE is also a square flower bed, that is all 280 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate the area of the flower bed EFGH, that is a side into side. 280 into 280 centimeter squared, that is 78,400 centimeter squared. AB already we have calculated. Now area of the, what is the question here? Find the area of the enlarged flower bed. Enlarged flower bed, that is a ABCD. This is a flower bed previously. After that we are extended all the four sides 30 centimeter. After that we are getting, this is the enlarged flower bed ABCD. Area of this enlarged flower bed ABCD equal to 340 into 340 centimeter squared, that is 1,15,600 centimeter squared, that is converting to meter squared 11.56 meter squared, divided by 10,000 you will get meter squared. What is second question? Also the increase in the area of the flower bed. Increase in the area, that is the area of the path. So area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Area of ABCD is 37. What is it? What is given here? ABCD is 1,15,600 centimeter squared minus area of EFGH is 78,400 centimeter squared. Subtract it, that is 37,200 centimeter squared. After that you convert into meter squared, that is 3.72 meter squared. How to convert it? Convert centimeter into centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to, you have to divide it by 100. So 2 times. So 10,000 you have to divide it. So 3.72 meter squared. That is the increase in the area of the flower bed. Question number 4. A school has a hall which is 22 meter long and 15.5 meter broad. A carpet is laid inside the hall, leaving all around a margin of 75 centimeter from the walls. Find the area of the carpet and the area of the strip left uncovered. If the width of the carpet is 82 centimeter, find its cost at the rate of rupees 60 per meter. In this question, in a school there is a hall and carpet is laid inside the hall. So carpet is in a smaller size. Now see the solution. Let ABCD be a hall. In the figure, ABCD is a hall and EFGH be the carpet, EFGH be the carpet. Now the length of AB equal to 22 meter, AB equal to 22 meter, BC equal to 15.5 meter, BC equal to 15.5 meter. This is the length of the room, hall, width of the hall. Now area of the hall ABCD equal to length into breadth. That is 22 into 15.5 meter squared. That is equal to 341 meter squared. Now we have to find the length of this carpet EF, length of EF. That is EF equal to 22. The carpet is laid inside the hall, leaving a margin of 75 centimeter from the wall. So every side 75 centimeter is leave from the walls. It is placed in the hall. So 75 plus 75, that is 1.5 meter. Now we have to subtract 1.5 meter from the length of AB. Then we will get length of EF. EF equal to 22 meter minus 2 into 75 centimeter, that is equal to 22 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is 20.5 meter. So the length of EF equal to 20.5 meter. FG equal to 15.5 meter minus 2 into 75 centimeter, which is equal to 15.5 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is equal to 14 meter. So FG equal to 14 meter. This is, now we have to find the area of the carpet EFGH. So area of the carpet EFGH equal to 20.5 into 14 meter squared equal to 287 meter squared. This is the first question asked in this question. Find the area of the carpet, that is 287 meter squared. Second question is the area of the strip left uncovered. That is, this is the carpet. This area is left uncovered all around EFGH. So area of ABCD minus area of EFGH is the area of the strip left uncovered. that is area of ABCD minus EFGH is equal to 341 minus 287 meter squared, which is equal to 54 meter squared. Now third part of the question is find its cost at the rate of rupees 60 per meter. Now we have to find the length of the carpet. In the question it is given the width of the carpet is 82 centimeter. See here, width of the carpet equal to 82 centimeter. I have converted into meter. Why I am telling? 0. That is convert into centimeter to meter, 0.82 meter. How to find the length of the carpet? Length of the carpet equal to area of the carpet divided by width of the carpet. Already we have calculated area of the carpet, that is 287 meter squared. So 287 meter squared. Here it is area is in meter squared, so I have to convert the width is also in meter. The unit should be, whatever the calculation we have to do it, unit should be same. So I have converted into meter, that is width of the carpet is 0.82 meter, that is 0.82. This is division of decimal number. Here the decimal divisor is a decimal number, so we have to convert into whole number. Here there are two decimal places are there, so multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So 287 into 100 is equal to 28,700 meter squared, and 0.82 multiplied by 100 equal to 82. Here area is in unit is meter squared, and the width of the carpet is in meter. If you cut it, your answer will be, the unit will be in meter. After simplification, you will get 350 meter. 350 meter is the length of the carpet. Here in the question, it is given the per meter rupees 60. So the fourth part of this question is cost of carpet per meter equal to rupees 60. Then cost of carpet for 350 meter equal to rupees 60 into 350, which is equal to rupees 21,000. So in this question there are 4 parts. So while doing these questions, read the question twice, thrice, then you solve it. Question number 5. A square lawn is surrounded by a path 2.5 meter wide. If the area of the path is 165 meter squared, find the area of the lawn. In this question, the lawn is in the shape of square and path is around them 2.5 meter wide and area of the path is given. Now come to the solution. Let ABCD be the square lawn. ABCD is the square lawn. Width of the path is given 2.5 meter all around. Here we don't know the length of AB. What is the side of the lawn we don't know. So we will let keep area of the length of AB equal to x meter. So now area of the lawn equal to side into side. That is area of ABCD equal to x into x meter squared. That is equal to x squared meter squared. Now we have to find out the length of EF. Here 2 times length of EF equal to x plus length of AB plus 2 times the width of the path, that is 2 times 2.5 meter, that is equal to x plus 5 meter. That is the length of EF equal to x plus 5 meter. EFGH is also a square, so all sides are equal. Now we have to find the area of EFGH. That is x plus 5 into x plus 5, that is side into side, meter squared. It is a plus b into a plus b in the form. So a squared plus 2 into a into b, that is 10x, plus b squared, that is 25. X squared plus 10x plus 25 meter squared is the area of EFGH. Now we have to find out, in the question it is given the area of the path. Area of the path is equal to area of EFGH minus area of ABCD. So area of the path EFGH is x squared plus 10x minus 25 minus, and area of lawn equal to minus x squared. So if you calculate it, after calculation we will get 10x plus 25. This is given in the question, area of the path 165 meter square. So 10x plus 25 equal to 165. Solving the equation, 10x equal to 165 minus 25 equal to 140. X is equal to 140 by 10 equal to 14. So the length of AB, that is side of the lawn, is x meter, that is 14 meter. Now we have to find the area of the lawn. Area of the lawn is in the shape of square, so side into side, that is AB into BC. AB is 14 as well as BC is 14. 14 into 14 meter squared, that is equal to 196 meter squared. Now move on to question number 6. A rectangular lawn 70 meter by 50 meter has two roads, each 5 meter wide. Each 5 meter wide, running through its middle, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its breadth. Find the cost of constructing the roads at rupees 120 per meter squared. In this question, rectangular lawn, there are two roads, one parallel to the length, one parallel to the width. There are two roads placed in the middle of the lawn. Now come to the solution. Let ABCD and EFGH be the two roads. ABCD is one road and EFGH is the second road. One is parallel to the length, second EFGH is parallel to the width. Now the length of the lawn is 70 meter and breadth of the lawn is 50 meter and width of the road is 5 meter. Now come to the solution. Let ABCD and EFGH be the two roads. See in the figure, ABCD is one road, that is parallel to length. EFGH is the second road parallel to width. These are the two roads going middle of the lawn. So now we have to calculate area of these two roads. That is equal to area of ABCD plus area of EFGH minus area of PQRS. Why here area of ABCD is, that is, this is ABCD, this area, and area of EFGH in the figure EFGH, this is second area of the rectangle, and area of PQRS is PQRS. Why we are subtracting here? This, the area of PQRS comes twice. One time it comes in length and second time it comes in width. So we have to subtract one time area. We have to subtract from this area of ABCD and area of EFGH. Now see the calculation. Area of ABCD is equal to length into breadth. Length is AB and width is BC. So that is AB, the length of AB is 70 and width of BC is, that is 5 meter wide, 5 meter, 70 into 5. Plus then area of EFGH is equal to, that is EF into FG. EF, this is length, that is 50 meter into FG, that is the width of the road, that is 5, 50 into 5 minus area of PQRS, that is PQRS, that is in the shape of square, so side into side, here 5 meter, here PQ is 5 meter, PS is also 5 meter, 5 into 5 meter square. Now calculating 350 plus 250 minus 25 meter squared. After simplification, we will get 600 minus 25 meter squared equal to 575 meter squared. So 575 meter squared is the area of these two roads. That is ABCD plus EFGH. This is the area of the road. Now the second question is, find the cost of constructing the roads at rupees 120 per meter square. So second part is cost of constructing the road per meter squared equal to rupees 120. Cost of constructing the road for 575 meter squared is equal to rupees 120 into 575, which is equal to rupees 69,000. So while doing these questions, Be careful with the units.